This video will walk you through the process of filling installation details in the consumer application. Once you log in, you will come to your dashboard. Click on this icon to expand the menu on the side panel. Click on the vendor consent option in the menu. You will come to the list of all the consumer applications pending for your consent. Click on this icon to expand a particular application and view details. You can view all the details of a particular application and then choose to either accept or reject an application after entering the relevant remarks in the box provided. Click on Accept button in case you want to take it to the next step of installation. Once you choose to accept an application, it moves to My Applications section of your login. Click on My Applications in the menu on the side panel. You will see the list of all the applications that you have consented for installation. Click on this icon under the Action column to view details of any application. Click on the Action button. Once you click on Action, it opens up a menu. You can either upload agreement or submit installation details or view application details. Choose Upload Agreement option. Click on Choose File button to choose the agreement for uploading on the portal. Click on the Submit button to finish uploading the file. After uploading the agreement and once the installation is done, it needs to be recorded on the portal. Click on Action button again. And click on Submit Installation option. This will open another page. Start by choosing the type of location. You may select either rural or urban for location type. If you select rural as location type, you will have to choose development block or taluka from the drop-down list. Choose from the list of village panchayat. And if you choose urban option as location type, you will need to choose urban local body name from the list. Next, click on Pick from Map to choose the location coordinates for the site where installation has been done. This will open the map of the district where the installation is done and you will need to choose the exact location on that map. Once you choose the exact location, click on Select to record the latitude and longitude of the site. Click on Save and Next button to go forward. Choose the phase of the solar connection. Select either single or three-phase. Enter solar inverter details by clicking on the Add Row button. Select from the list of manufacturers. Enter the capacity of the inverter. Enter quantity. Start recording the serial numbers of the inverter. Fill in the serial number. And click on the Save button. Record PV module details by clicking on the Add Row button. Select manufacturer from the list of options. Enter the module capacity in the box provided. Enter the number of modules installed. Add the serial numbers of the modules installed. You will need to enter the serial numbers of all the modules. You can enter multiple serial numbers. Click on Save once all the serial numbers are entered. The system will only allow unique and DCR validated serial numbers. Click on Save and Next button to move to the next step. In the next step, upload the geotagged photo of the solar rooftop. You will need to upload relevant documents. Select on the document type first. Select DCR declaration from the options, which is the mandatory document to upload. Select File to upload. Click on the Save and Next button to go to the next step. Click on the Protection checklist. The checklist needs to be marked as yes or no for all the points. The Save button gets activated only after the whole checklist is marked as yes. Once all this is done, you can click on Send to Consumer button for him to submit after reviewing the installation information. This video covers a detailed walkthrough of filling the installation details in the application by a vendor.